Bhasrika Pranayam. While doing this pranayam, do not breathe heavily or open your mouth. The body should be very flexible during this pranayam. In the beginning, practice Bhasrika slowly. Once your abdomen and lungs get strengthened, then you can increase the speed. Let's see how it is to be done. It is done in 2 steps.
Bhastrika Pranayam. Patients of high blood pressure, giddiness or heart trouble should do this only after a doctor's advice. It is done in 2 steps. So let us first do the first step of the Bhastrika Pranayam. Sit in Sukhasana or Padmasana pose, whichever is more comfortable for you. Sit completely straight. Keep both hands on your knees. Now inhale and expand your chest, and exhale and contract the chest. Do this exercise in such a way as if the chest is moving like the bellows of an ironmonger. Do this exercise for as long as you can. Then keep eyes closed and relax. It is possible that while doing the pranayam or after doing it, you may feel giddy or experience a darkness in front of the eyes. Then focus all attention on your breathing, and the next time, do the exercise for lesser time. You can increase the repetitions of this pranayam till 50, but do not get excited and do it 100 or 200 times. After doing it 50 times, relax and do not do it more than 5 times after that. Relax. We are going to do the second step of this pranayam. Sit in the Padmasana or Sukhasana pose. Keep both hands on the knees, and just like we have moved the chest like a pair of bellows, we will now do with the stomach. Inhale, and while exhaling, take the stomach in with a sudden movement. You have to count the repetitions just like the first step. Do this for as long as you can, then stop. While doing this pranayam, you may experience a stretch or tension in the stomach or ribs or back. Do not be afraid if that happens. Just relax and focus your attention on those spots. Your pain will disappear on its own. Remember one thing, if you have acidity, then do not do the second step. It is possible that while doing this pranayam, you may experience a tension or stretch in your stomach or ribs. Do not worry if that happens. Just relax and focus all your attention on the spot where you experience tension.